Hi, I am back with another video. This is Jimmy, and before I start with the video, we got something else that I like, and I'm sorry that I didn't mention this in my Think to Like video, but I like chocolate milkshakes, and they are very good. Now on to the video. Today's video is going to be another rant, and the rant is on advertisements. You know, when you're trying to watch a video on YouTube or waiting for a video to start on YouTube, and all of a sudden an ad will either pop up and interrupt the video while you're trying to watch it, or pop up while you're waiting for it to start. I don't like it when advertisements come on in the beginning of the video, or in the middle of the video and interrupt it, or cause the video to be delayed by a few seconds or minutes, because it takes time away from me from watching the video and wanting to know what's going to happen. And I'm like, come on, do you really have to interrupt the video while I'm trying to watch it, or maybe wait for it to start? Sometimes even when I'm watching the video and it's really good and I want to know what's going to happen, and all of a sudden an ad will come on and interrupt it. I'm like, seriously? There are occasions when an ad will interrupt it and I can just skip it. So I press the skip button so you don't have to watch the ad. And there are other occasions when I don't have the option and I'll have to watch the ad while I wait for the video to come back or to start. I just wish that the advertisements didn't interrupt the videos, so people can watch the videos without having to deal with the interruption while they're watching it and they're really into it and they want to know what's going to happen next. So you don't have to worry about the interruption. That's going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you all have a great day.